Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got some pretty exciting news to share with you guys, and some info about where I've been at, what I've been doing. And as you can see here, this is kind of what I've been up to. Is I've been creating an email listing for anybody who wants to follow me and get notifications now of like different events that are going on, different discounts that are happening. Before, I would just post them in like a Facebook group, and then some people would miss those discounts or those sales events. So if you want to be part of that, you want to know when some of my designs go on sale, you can come to this website here, scroll down just a little bit, and then fill this out and hit subscribe. You'll then be part of that mailing list, and then if you don't want to be part of it in the future, you can always unsubscribe in the future. Currently, I'm starting out real small on the free plan where it's like 2,000 subscribers. So I know we got 5,000 people in the YouTube channel. So once we get to the 2,000, I'll eventually get my actual website up and running. Yeah, I'm working up the encouragement and putting in a lot of hard work to create a secondary website for my designs and tutorials and other things as well. But as you can see here, this is my landing page for the email listings here. This will notify you of like discounts, different events. Like if you've seen our last video, we had that huge designer sale where everybody put their shop on sale for 35% off or more. That turned out really well. So if you want to be notified of those things, go ahead and sign up for this here. Also, while you're on this site, you can read a little bit about our designs here and here. And then if you scroll back up, there is different sections too. So like if you want to check out like YouTube tutorials, if you're watching this on YouTube, you already know this. But if you click on that, it'll show you like how to use our designs, the best way that you can start creating your own designs or using your Glowforge, and then like recommended accessories. And then we always suggest subscribing to our YouTube channel as well. And then lastly, if you want to join like the community pages, this is also a great place to join those, like the Glowforge at Home group, where we do those designer group sales that I was just talking about that we had in our last video. This is our main page right here that you can follow like creations, also post sales events there. So if you don't want to sign up for the emailing list, you can also check that out. The emailing list is going to have more information than just my sales, though, so that's up to you. And then also we have our free file group here, too. So definitely recommend checking this page out here. I'm going to put the link in the description below. If you want to sign up for that newsletter, once again, just go ahead and come right here, sign up. We'll notify you once we get our actual site live. And I hope to have a lot of resources and information for everybody there. I hope to build the community even closer than what it is now. I'm working with a couple different bigger designers here to make different events and different cool ideas for the actual laser community. So if you want to be part of that, go ahead and sign up here. And then other than that, it's been Josh with Fresh Start Customs, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.